Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do an Ulta haul. I think this is the first Ulta haul on my channel. So yeah, let's get right into it, not wasting no time. The first thing that I got, I'm just gonna be pulling straight out. The first things that I got were Soap and Glory foot creams. So it's the Heel Genius. I bought 2 of these because they were on sale for $7. So usually I think they're like $10, but you get to save $3, and here I saved $6 because I absolutely love it. I actually have one sitting on my nightstand, but the packaging seems different. But yeah, this is the old packaging and this is the new packaging. But yeah, this thing works like a dream. Absolutely works like a dream. Like if you're like in between pedicures and stuff, well, I use it nightly and it makes my feet ultra soft. I walk a lot, and 2, my skin gets really dry. You know this from my video from last year and stuff like that, but my skin gets really dry, and that is a saving grace to my feet. So we'll get into, let's keep the same theme. And I also bought this is the Spongebob Pedi Scrub in a sponge. It is the citron eucalyptus flavor, I guess. It says 4-in-1, cleanses, exfoliates, moisturizes, massages. It has 20+ washes, and it is made with shea butter and tea tree oil. So I bought this because I don't like my feet feeling no type of way. Like I will do a foot peel, I will scrub, moisturize, everything away with my feet. I like soft feet. I don't like the look of cracked feet and all of that. And now I'm looking at my feet and like, shit, my heel dry. But the girl got some stuff. But I really bought this because I saw they had really good reviews on Ulta.com, so I actually just went out and bought it at my closest Ulta location. The next thing I got is the Ardell Dual Lash Applicator. My cousin recommended this to me and said it really helps apply the lashes really easily. If you didn't know, I am quite new to lashes, but I like the look that some of it give. I have really, well, I don't know if you could see because they have some makeup on there, but can you see on this side profile? I myself have decent enough lashes, so lashes for me are like a special occasion thing. Usually I can just get away with mascara and be over with. The next 2 things that I got are from Juvia's place. So I got the I Am Magic concealer. I got it in the shade J1, the Magic Concealer, which is the darkest shade. I'm going to use this for contour. And then I also got the lip gloss in It's Glass. Here it is. It's glass. Let me just take them out of the packaging and show it to you real quick. So this is It's Glass. It's the plain white lip gloss, and this is the concealer that I will contour with. The next 2 things I got were from Colourpop. Now this was a complete surprise to me because, you know, for years I've heard about Colourpop on YouTube, but I've never been like, oh, I need it. I've never seen anything, oh, I need this, I need to get it. Like the liquid lip days aren't like how they were before. Excuse my phone from vibrating, but whatever. Like how they were back in the early YouTube days, where, you know, those liquid lips had this community in a chokehold. But what I came across is their Super Shock Cheek highlighters. Well, they're highlighters on me. I don't know what other people use them for, but it says Super Shock Cheek. It doesn't specify whether it's a highlighter or a blush or whatever. But I got them in 2 shades. I got them in Drop of a Hat and Guilty Pleasure. As it says, Super Shock Cheek Pearlized. So I'm gonna show you, because when I tell you I was shocked by the tester, I was shocked because I could not. And if you know me well, I love highlighter. I'm not wearing any today. I just put on a little foundation, and that's why you can't really see my lashes, because the foundation is like covering my lashes. But I just put on some foundation to cover my discoloration because it's winter and your girl is, my skin is really having a time. But yeah, so this one that I'm gonna swatch is Guilty Pleasure. I want to tell you, I was so shocked by this. So it looks like this. It's a little washed out on camera, but it has that pinky goldish iridescent color. I'm gonna tell you, yo, what shocked me about this, how butter soft it was. Like, let me do a little bit more so you can really see the color. And here it is. Like, so can you imagine that on the cheek? Well, not so concentrated, but it's so nice. Like, yo, no, seriously, if you go into Ulta or anywhere that sells Colourpop, check this out. It looks like really light on camera, but when I tell you, it looks really nice on my skin. It looks really nice. It only looks that whitey because it's so concentrated on my arm, but I can assure you, like, I need my blonde like highlight, you know, so why not? Why not put it on? Can you see? Oh, damn, can't even see good. Let's grab up some. Can you see that? Ooh. I don't know why you're not seeing it. Okay, I can see it on my cheek. But as you can see, it's subtle. It's not too, okay, you can see it a little. Look, compare here and look there. And when I tell you guys that this shit had me shook, like, I could not believe. And then this one, in Drop of a Hat, it has this pinky, not really pinky, but reddish iridescent color. And again, how buttery, look at it on my finger, how buttery soft these things are. Like, jeez. Again, I'm gonna, yo, but this is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. Look at it, just look at that, there. Chokehold, dog. And let's see if I could do this on this side. Okay, I know you can see that. You can see this more because I have more lighting on that side. The window's there, so you're able to see it a little better. But when I tell you, if you got the chance, if you have the coin, go and pick them up from Ulta. Like, don't be wasting time, honey. And the last thing that I got, I think that's the last thing that I got, is the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I've seen this on YouTube a couple of times, but I wasn't compelled to get it, just like those cheap things. But it is on sale on Ulta, in store and online. It is on sale for $13. So why not? It's a nice looking palette. How do you open this? Okay. So plain old Morphe looking situation. But you know, Morphe is subtle on the outside, but got the better bang on the inside. So it has the colors on this, the plastic sheet thing. I don't know when they're gonna start putting it on the actual thing, but here it is. I'm sure you've seen this palette a million and one times on YouTube, so ain't no thing, but I really bought it for this color right there, and the neutrals of course, and another color. Where's the other color? This one you can't really see too much, but it's beautiful. Again, let's do a little swatchy swatch. When I tell you, like, it takes a little while to get into because it's a little hard at first, but then when you get into it, look at this. See it there? See it there? And then keep in mind that I have hairy arms, so it may not come out as great. But look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that, beautiful. And you know, if you're melanated, if you're chocolatey, need I say more? But yeah, that is all that I got from Ulta. It is a super short video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you pick some things up, because a lot of these things that I got were on sale. So I hope you take advantage this holiday season and pick you up some things, or I don't know, if you've seen it, well, you more than likely you'll see it hopefully before Christmas. But yeah, just start the Ulta website, and these things often go on sale, so pick you up some. Treat yourself, girl, treat yourself. Going into 2022 with self-care on the mind, in the heart, and where the money resides. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you like, what you think, what you were able to pick up, or what you pick up recently, and what are your favorites. Maybe I may try it out. So again, thank you for watching this video.